I will present you the marine deployment that GRIDNET has developed for its own testing purposes. So in GRIDNET we develop custom gateway devices. Some of our scenarios are related with the marine environment. So for this purpose we deployed a subset of nodes permanently in the sea environment and try to measure their performance. So through our the Extend project, we would like to, we will integrate our testbed and provide them collected measurements to FIESTA. So in this slide you can see the architecture that we use in our testbed, which mainly consists of two different tiers. First, the shore side tier, where we use the gateway devices to provide the internet access to the whole testbed. And on the sea side, we have buoys that are deployed within the sea environment, and the gateway devices collect measurements locally and offload them through the rest of the backbone. Moreover, we use the shore side components to monitor air quality, and we use the buoy nodes to monitor the water quality. Here you can see a snapshot of the communication device and the various components it's composed of. So you can see the different wireless interfaces, the battery packs, the power distribution board, and also the case, the waterproof case. Here you can see some more details about the core of our device. So it's based on a BeagleBone platform, and we use different ways to interconnect external interfaces such as Wi-Fi and LTE, which are connected over USB, or the LoRa, Zigbee and GPS modules that communicate over the UART protocol. Here you can see some more snapshot of the communication devices. And now I'm coming to the type of measurements that are being collected. So in total, from the whole testbed, we are able to collect 8 different types of air quality measurements, which are listed here. And air quality measurements are collected from the shore side components, on the sea side, and mainly on the buoys, and also on a single fixed platform that we use. We also measure 4 different types of water quality indicators, which are listed here. And finally, we also perform real-time power monitoring of the different wireless interfaces, which is based on us a very important feature for networking experimenters. So for the different interfaces, which are Wi-Fi, LTE, Zigbee, and LoRa, we're able to measure their power consumption in real time and feed this data back to the experimenter. So this is the whole list of measurements that we would like to contribute back to FIESTA. And here you can see the buoy devices as deployed in the water. And here is a small representation, a web GUI representation of the testbed and the locations of the nodes and how we illustrate the collected measurements. So this is all from our side. So currently the way we collect measurements is based on a very simple REST API to connect on each node and collect the different measurements that are available. And our plan is to modify our REST API to make it compliant to the methods that we discussed today.